Hi YouTube, on today's video I got this fog lights on eBay. If you saw this fog lights, it comes with the wire, with this Chinese wire. It has a power, the black for the ground, and these two yellow wires. And the package, it doesn't come with the instructions, so you have to figure how you connect this. But today I'm gonna show you how. This plug, this plug is for your fog lights, original plug from your Tacoma. So this one you can use for the blinkers, and you can use for your day running lights. If you have your Tacoma has a DRLs, you can use these fog lights for day running lights and as your blinkers. So let's see. Okay, this plug, I'll show you. You can see it. Okay, this already got this plastic, so you guys can see it. This for your blinkers. It's a white and black wire with orange. You can see it. And for your DRLs, you can see right here. This wire is from the headlight. As you can tell, it's gray, red, and black. So remember the wire for the fog lights, it's red, black, and two yellows. So you have to connect the red with red, the white with the gray wire. And for the blinkers, you have to use some kind of power to get the blinkers work. So you have to connect on your wire for the blinkers on the orange wire, and I'm gonna show you how. These are your blinkers. Like I said, white and orange. Turn on the blinkers. The blinkers. Okay, these are the blinkers. Okay, guys. So the harness for the fog lights, it's yellow, red, and black. So because I don't have black, and for some reason the black cable, it was too short, so I add a little bit the blue wire because I don't have black wire. So remember, this is black, the blue one is black, yellow is yellow, the red is red. So so I was thinking the red, it was the power, so I was wrong. So basically the gray one, it was the power. Remember, blue, black, the black with the black, but in this case it's blue with the black, and yellow with the kind of orange brown cable for the blinkers. This harness or cables is coming from the headlight itself. If you want to know the colors of the actual plug, it's right here. The pink one is for the power, and the white cable is for the brown. So pink and white. You can see it. Don't use the green one. So that's basically it. Looks messy, but I'm fix all this cable. This side is it's blue wire. That's for the blinkers. Okay guys, so I'm done. So this is color light, the dead running lights. You can see they're on. So I'm done. Let's see if it works. That's the right side blinker. That's the left side blinker. It looks cool. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please support your boy. So that's pretty much it. See you next video.